Hey guys, it's PMHK here, obviously. So today I'm kind of just showing you guys what I've came up with as a setup for playing Fortnite. I hardly play these games actually since I downloaded. I think I've been with this game for 2 weeks and I've only played it twice. So this is kind of the setup we have here going. As you can see here behind us, we have an Optoma projector. This is actually a 720 projector, and for a 720p obviously the resolution, and as a projector it's really quite good for the 720p that it is. And down here obviously we have the Xbox, and yeah, so we're gonna be playing a bit of games, and I just wanted to show you guys how this is. So this is basically an 100-inch screen right now that we are using, so it's really big. Funny enough, this game is really, it's hard, eh? Like they will kill you basically.
It needs expert, like
serious
gamer.
They will kill you. So in terms of the quality of the projection, actually looks good. Obviously we have
because of the lights,
yeah, we have the soft boxes here, obviously casting a bit of light into the screen, which is not advisable. You actually need to play this in total darkness, play whatever. I don't want this. You need to, But anyways, the aim of this setup is actually to show you guys how to set up with the projector, or how my current setup is looking. I'm actually using the desk that I featured on what's that video? The Ultimate Productivity Desk. Yeah, that went live I think last week. So yeah, let's play something else actually, something that has two players. 2015, 3 years ago.
What?
I am going to whoop your ass. Just press buttons. Hopefully you'll do something.
Okay.
I think that was the best. That was the worst play you could ever select. Batman. For you to play with Batman, you need to know how to play with Batman. Yeah.
Come on, man.
I shall beat you fast and quick.
Oh! What's the two of you?
It's actually 3.
What was that?
The power! The power! 2, 3. 4.
I don't know how to use this guy.
So obviously you're getting, does it sound good? Obviously you're getting, with this kind of setup with the projector there and the Xbox, you are getting a quite big screen. Obviously because of the light, you probably can't see it properly because it's very white. So just for you to have an understanding of how big this thing is, I'm pretty tall and pretty long. So this is how big this screen is going to be, or this projection is going to be. Obviously that projector is a 720 projector, but if you get maybe a 4K projector, you're probably going to have much better color than what I have right now. Actually, that's a plan. Maybe in future I might get a 4K projector and put it that side. But for now, this is the setup that I'm using to play games. Later on, obviously, we're going to have the setup this side with the 4K TV. But for now, we're going to be using this one. So I'm going to obviously put link of the projector I'm using right now if you guys want to go check it out. But the brand is Optoma. I forgot which model exactly it is, but let's just play some more. It's a bit white because of the brightness of the light. Let me try and put it off to see if it's gonna look much better. So this one's off. I'm just putting the soft boxes lights off just for a bit of control. Obviously, the lights are still on. They still have the lights that are on, but I think it should be much better, right? Is it much better?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's much better. Hopefully, you guys can see what's going on. I can see much better without the soft boxes being on. I'm getting my ass whipped here. But it's quite big compared to the 49-inch that I have here, there. It actually looks much better playing in a big screen, especially for those soccer player lovers, like people that like playing soccer on Xbox. Like, they're gonna enjoy this kind of setup. I really don't like playing sports in terms of games. Actually, even in real life, like, I play once in a while. Oh. He's cheating. Okay, so he beat me once. I still have a lot of lives to go. Now it's his turn. Oh, he's dead. So yeah, this is my setup for now. We're gonna make obviously the gaming setup, as I said, that side. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just check you guys on that video. Peace.